If you have $5,000, do these 5 things now. Because you've managed your money wisely up to this point, you've been able to save up some extra money, perhaps $5,000. If you have $5,000 in hand, how should you invest it? Do you know that a nest egg can be converted into passive income? This video will go through some of the greatest methods to invest $5,000, as well as some unique ways to increase your money and 3 major investment mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Robo-Advisory Services. Because they handle everything for you, robo-advisors are preferred by new investors. You will often complete a questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance and investing objectives. Then you will have a diverse investment portfolio created for you. You only need to contribute money on a regular basis, and it will be distributed among those assets. The investment procedure is automated, which is the best part. Number 2. Real estate investing. Are you seeking a turnaround with 5-year growth potential? Think about making a real estate investment through a real estate investment trust or through crowdfunding. In many circumstances, you can additionally generate money through dividends or rentals to whatever profits you would receive from selling the property. For smaller investors, Fundrise is the top real estate investing platform. You instantly become a part of a diverse portfolio of US-based projects. The properties are entirely acquired and managed by them, making this an entirely passive investment. Number 3. Trading cryptocurrencies. Due to their widespread availability and low entry barriers, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are an attractive investment alternative for some. Bitcoin's price increased by 228% in 2020 from $7,000 in January to $23,000 in December. Not everyone should invest in volatile cryptocurrencies, but if you can maintain a profitable trading technique, it may be a profitable option. Number 4. Invest in stocks. The stock market is a well-liked method of increasing your money. When you purchase stocks, you are essentially purchasing little pieces of the company. Despite being a popular solution, stock market trading may be dangerous, particularly if you are unfamiliar with the market. The stock market does, however, provide a range of securities. While some have lesser risk and more potential profit, others have lower risk and lower financial return. Number 5. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are comparable to stocks in that you're investing in shares of a business. When you acquire a mutual fund share, you are essentially investing in multiple companies. This can be an effective approach to diversifying your portfolio while lowering overall risk. Mutual funds are often acquired directly from mutual fund firms such as Vanguard or Fidelity, or through brokerages like TD Ameritrade. Investments to avoid. Some investments aren't actually investments at all. In reality, if you invest $5,000 in a dangerous scam, you might quickly lose everything. Here are some investments to avoid. Number 1. Penny stocks. Stocks priced under $5 per share may appear to be a deal. Furthermore, $5,000 would go a long way towards purchasing inexpensive stocks, and your investment may provide significant gains. Typically, stocks like these aren't lucrative at all. Penny stock companies are often very small and are not required to disclose their financials. They may be attempting to raise funds in order to expand, but they are not always successful in the long run. Number 2. Pyramid schemes. You may have seen advertisements from firms that claim to make you wealthy only if you can get people to join. If you are requested to pay to join a business based on that concept, be aware that it may be a pyramid scam which cannot produce a win-win scenario for everyone. Number 3. Gambling. Yes, you can win a lot of money by gambling with $5,000. People, on the other hand, almost never do. When you gamble, you are statistically more likely to lose your money. That figure holds true whether you are gambling at a casino or purchasing a lottery ticket. Because the chances are not in your favor, gambling, while fun, is a bad financial option. Fortunately, there are several ways to invest $5,000, ranging from stock market trading to starting your own business. Weigh the benefits and drawbacks of each to choose the best plan for you. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.